Your morning coffee is cleaning your cells. The olive oil in your kitchen is protecting your brain from Alzheimer's. The strawberries in your fridge are hunting down and killing your body's zombie cells. And yes, zombie cells are a real, scientifically confirmed thing, and they are aging you faster than almost anything else. 8 plants, one Nobel Prize-winning discovery, and a piece of science so stunning that once you understand it, you will never look at your food the same way again. All research links are in the description. Go check them yourself, and stick around for the science section. Because what is actually happening inside your cells when you eat these foods is genuinely one of the most fascinating things in modern biology. Let's get into it. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. A compound found exclusively in high quality extra virgin olive oil has been shown to protect the brain against Alzheimer's linked protein buildup, calm neuroinflammation, and activate your body's cellular cleanup system, all simultaneously. Here is how you know your olive oil actually contains it. That burning, peppery sensation at the back of your throat when you swallow. That is the compound at work. If your olive oil goes down smooth with zero sensation, it likely does not have meaningful amounts of it. Buy cold press early harvest Evo O. Look for a harvest date on the bottle, not just an expiry date. Use it raw, 3 to 4 tablespoons a day, drizzled over food after cooking. Heat destroys what makes it special. 2. Coffee. This is probably the best news on this list. Your daily coffee habit is doing something measurably beneficial inside your liver, your heart, and your skeletal muscle within 1 to 4 hours of drinking it. And here's what surprised the researchers. Decaffeinated coffee works just as well. The caffeine helps, but it is not the main driver. The compound responsible is found in high concentrations in the coffee bean itself, and it is best preserved in lightly roasted varieties. 3 cups a day, including decaf, is the range associated with longevity benefits in the research. Feel entirely at peace with your coffee ritual. 3. Green tea. Green tea has been consumed for thousands of years. We now understand at a molecular level why cultures that drink it daily tend to live so long. Its most active compound has been studied across cancer, cardiovascular disease, neurodegeneration, and skin health. In every context, it keeps pointing back to cellular maintenance and cleanup. Matcha is the most potent form, the whole leaf, ground fine, meaning you get everything rather than just what steeps out. Roughly 3 times the active compounds of a regular brewed cup. Brew below 80 degrees Celsius, because boiling water destroys what you are drinking it for. 4. Wheat germ. This is the quiet giant of the list, and almost nobody talks about it. Wheat germ, the small embryo of the wheat grain, contains, in the highest concentration of almost any food on earth, a compound whose levels inside your body decline measurably with age. That decline is considered by researchers to be one of the biological markers of cellular aging. Population studies link higher dietary intake of this compound to reduced cardiovascular mortality. 1 tablespoon on your morning oats or yogurt, mild, nutty taste. It disappears into food easily. Other sources include natto, aged cheeses, and dried mushrooms, foods that appear heavily in the diets of the world's longest-lived populations. 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranate may be the most scientifically validated longevity food on this list. It contains compounds that your gut bacteria convert into something called urolithin A. And urolithin A is the first dietary compound to complete a double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled human clinical trial for anti-aging effects. Real trial, real humans, published in Nature Metabolism. It specifically activates the targeted removal of damaged mitochondria, your cell's power generators, before they become toxic. One caveat. Roughly 40% of people cannot efficiently convert pomegranate's compounds into urolithin A, depending on their gut microbiome. Whole fruit, pomegranate juice, and walnuts are the richest dietary sources. The supplement form bypasses the conversion issue entirely. 6. Berberine, barberry, and Oregon grape. Berberine is a compound found in barberry, Oregon grape, and golden seal. It has been used in traditional medicine across cultures for centuries, and modern research has confirmed why it worked. It activates the same metabolic enzyme targeted by metformin, the most prescribed diabetes drug in the world. The honest truth, you cannot get therapeutic amounts from food alone. Barberry berries are edible, but the concentrations in research require supplementation. If you are considering it, speak with your doctor first. It is bioactive enough to interact with medications. 7. Turmeric. The active compound in turmeric activates your cellular cleanup system through two separate pathways simultaneously. The research spans cancer models, Parkinson's disease models, and vascular health. The evidence is genuine and consistent. But here is the thing most people do not know. Without black pepper, you are absorbing almost none of it. A study cited over 5,000 times in scientific literature showed that adding just a small amount of black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Always cook turmeric with black pepper. Always cook it in a fat, olive oil, ghee, coconut oil. Curcumin is fat soluble. Turmeric powder alone in a capsule or sprinkled dry on food is largely wasted. 8. Strawberries. Phycetin strawberries contain the highest concentration of a flavonoid called phycetin, roughly 3 to 4 times more than apples, the next best source. And phycetin does something no other compound on this list does quite as directly. It hunts zombie cells. Senescent cells, cells that have stopped functioning but refuse to die, accumulate with age and secrete inflammatory compounds that suppress your body's cellular maintenance systems. Fistin is a senolytic. It selectively targets and eliminates these cells. A 2025 study in aging cells showed intermittent physitin supplementation reduced senescent cell markers in aged mice to levels comparable to genetic clearance approaches. That is a remarkable result. Eat your strawberries, fresh, frozen, whole, all effective. And now the science part. In 2016, a Japanese cell biologist named Yoshinori Osumi received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine alone. No shared credit, the entire prize for one discovery. He found that your cells eat themselves, not destructively, intelligently. Inside every cell in your body, a process called autophagy, from the Greek for self-eating, identifies damaged proteins, worn-out cellular components, and toxic debris, wraps them in a membrane bubble, drags them to the cell's digestion chamber, breaks them down, and recycles the raw materials back into usable fuel. Osumi proved this by disabling autophagy genes in yeast. Without autophagy, toxic protein clumps accumulated rapidly. The cells aged fast and died early. With autophagy running, cells could survive even starvation, cannibalizing their own non-essential parts for energy. The Nobel Committee called it paradigm shifting. It turned a poorly understood cellular process into one of medicine's most active research frontiers. When autophagy declines, and it does decline with age, the consequences are severe. In Alzheimer's disease, the protein plaques that define the condition accumulate precisely because the cellular waste disposal system has broken down. Harvard Medical School researchers confirmed this in PNAS. Defective autophagy is not a coincidence in Alzheimer's, it is mechanistically central to the disease. The Nobel documentation explicitly named type 2 diabetes and cancer among conditions where disrupted autophagy plays a causal role. A 2021 review in Nature Aging concluded that this decline is a driver of aging, not merely a symptom. So what controls it? A protein called mTOR acts as the main brake. When mTOR is active, when your body senses nutrient abundance, it suppresses autophagy. When mTOR is inhibited, cleanup switches on. On the other side, AMPK acts as the accelerator, pushing autophagy forward when cellular energy is low. Every plant on this list tilts that balance in the same direction through different molecular entry points. Coffee inhibits mTOR directly. Berberine activates AMPK so powerfully it functionally mimics metformin. Turmeric's curcumin simultaneously suppresses mTOR and activates the master regulator of the cell's recycling gene network. Wheat germ spermidine works at the level of gene expression itself, modifying the histones that control autophagy genes directly. And in 2024, researchers found that spermidine is actually required for rapamycin, the gold standard pharmaceutical autophagy inducer. To work at all, the food compound sits at the core of the mechanism, Pomegranate's urolithin specializes in mitophagy, the targeted clearance of damaged mitochondria specifically, confirmed in the first human clinical trial of any dietary autophagy-inducing compound. The traditional diets associated with the longest lives on Earth, Mediterranean, traditional Japanese, blue zone eating patterns, are dense in olive oil, green tea, fermented foods, polyphenol-rich fruits, and turmeric. The science has finally caught up to what those diets have been doing quietly for centuries. None of this requires a supplement overhaul. Coffee and olive oil in the morning, matcha or green tea in the afternoon, strawberries as a snack, turmeric with black pepper and olive oil at dinner, a tablespoon of wheat germ on your oats. Ordinary food, extraordinary biology, happening quietly inside your cells every single day. Your cells have a built-in renewal system. A Nobel Prize confirmed it exists. Decades of research confirmed it can be supported. Feed it well. Take care of yourself from the inside out.